Welcome my followers, it is September 20th and it is the opening day for Apple's iPhone 11 series here in China, and we're going to head over to the Apple store and take a look how well is Apple selling here in China, especially with all the problems that has occurred between the China and the US. Hi, I'm your host JD Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff, Apple's opening day in China. Alright, so right behind me is the Apple store, as you can see in the background. And it does look like there is a lot of people waiting for their new iPhone 11. So we're going to go take a look and see even if I could buy one today. I didn't reserve anything, so let's see if we could just snatch one up today. Alright, so this is the Apple store here in Beijing, and we went in, we see if we could try to buy one, but they are sold out right now. They told me I could probably come pick one up on Monday, but we'll see. So this is your host JD Knows, and this was another episode of Cool Stuff, the opening day of the iPhone 11 here in Beijing. Until next time, as always, my followers, be cool.